right, so wrapping around to the side paneling, we do have a lot of perforation going on this sneaker. So this is definitely a great breathable shoe. So we've got lots of perforation and meshing going on the side panel for the medial and lateral side. And then again, we've got some nice little detailing of this metallic shade for the end, which is outlined in white and a black kind of patent tone and finish, which shines when it hits the light. And then again, just subtle accents of the silver kind of hit the threading on the inseams here. And then we've got the silver working its way to the back of the heel with 530, which is present on the lateral side. And then again, the same exact color blocking on the lateral side that you see on the medial. And then I do love how it kind of looks as though it's been a bit spray painted in a gradient kind of effect on each corners of the sneaker itself here. The interior is in gray and white for the insole. And then the sneaker, as you can see here, has the Absorb technology, which is written at the bottom of the heel. And it's in a nice kind of off-white finish for the midsole, and then the outsole has a black, gray, and cream finish. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size in this one. I do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size range will work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, I think that right now, this is one of the most fashionable silhouettes that I've been seeing everywhere on the streets. I was actually at a festival recently as well, and this 530 was also on a lot of people's feet, specifically women. So if you're looking for just a great looking sneaker that is at an affordable price point and it's a New Balance, this may be something you want to try out. For the first look, I wore a vintage cutoff charcoal colored top, and then I wore some nice just dark denim black shorts.
Woke up done, can you carry me? When I'm losing my mind, can you hold me? If I'm hazy blue, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Feeling down, can you feel me? When I'm running low, can you charge me?
When I'm running low.
Then for the second look, I decided to wear some black denim shorts with a plaid grayish black toned button-down collared shirt.
If it's love or talking, you ain't really frying. You do the walk and talk the talk, but drop it. Pull me back, you left me there, I'm falling. Stop, the hell are you going? I'ma hold me up, I'll get myself together. Who'd have thought without you I'd be better? Brace yourself, I'm ready for another. I said it once before. Sunlight, so bright, so bright. Sunlight, so bright.
And then for the last and final look, decided to give some color as an option. So I wore this ribbed one shoulder top with some matching pants.
So bright. Woke up done, can you carry me? When I'm losing my mind, can you hold me? If I'm hazy blue, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Feeling down, can you feel me? When I'm running low, can you charge me?
No riddle. I felt blessed when the flex went civil, and this year, man, I wanna see it triple. Pray more, say less, that's official. It made me walk or the talk like it's minor. One call and it's like tear my eyes up. You thought Gucci would bless your life up. My kind of drips from a different designer. New style and I love it. Man, I'm jetting off quick with the cuzzy. When they set new heights, we fly above it. It's a miracle. You see the way it's hit the ground running out. He don't set my pace, no enemy. No more time flips on a bass and melody. Well, that's my life, that's right, that's LV. I'ma be a blessing, right, for the legacy. I'm blessed.
One more time.
Too real, this ain't metaphoric. I'm blessed.
One more time. I need you.
Yeah. Like, I put a blessing on it. Too real, this ain't metaphoric. We just put the I in iconic. Buzzing like I'm electronic. Yeah, I put a blessing on it. See me dripping in it 24/7 on it. I'm just being honest. Holy water dripping, dripping from my neck to my crep. So I'm two-stepping on it like new style and I love it. Man, I'm getting off quick with the cuzzy. When they set new heights, we fly.
All right, so as far as the price point goes, again, this is such a great price point at $100. So if you're looking, again, as a starter sneaker in the New Balance series, the 530 is a great option to go with. That's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on the way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on next episode.
Miracle, you see the way it's hit the ground running. He don't set my pace, no enemy. No more time flips on that bass and melody. Well, that's my life, that's right, that's LV.